Kum ka jing shimbenta but ka jing rakhe ya ka North East Festival but ka Amrit ka Azadi Mahotsav ka office jang ka sub-divisional of school education officer kala Pynlong ya ka quiz competition na ka benda ki kena apule ha ki higher secondary school ha Anderson Higher Secondary School New Nongstein. Hakate ka quiz competition lawan bani shimbenta komba shipautli ki school na po jong ka district shua ban sedang ya ka quiz layo i ka jingkren na ikong arkongwang SDSEO halo jang ka phang bayade kum ka kongsan.
Various state activities or events are being held in all the districts of our state by different department or organization to celebrate the people, the culture and achievement of the area. So our department, education department, through the office of the DSEOs across the state, that means all the DSEOs in the 12th district, in collaboration with the district planning office, is organizing a quiz competition on Northeast Festival 2022 as part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav for the students of higher secondary schools in the district. I would like to thank the office of the DSEOs West Castle Hills for, in collaboration with the district planning office of the DC office, for organizing this quiz competition for the student of our district. I believe this competition will greatly benefit our students as well as for all of us present here today, to gain more knowledge about the people, the cultures, and the achievement of our Northeast region. I am very glad to see that many schools are participating out of 12 schools, I think, which the letter have been sent. So 10 schools have have responded, so it's a good response. I am very glad that you are participating. I really appreciate your spirit of competition, which is one of the most important stepping stones to success, especially for students. It doesn't matter whether you win or you lose. In a competition, there should be a winner and a loser. Your participation is much more important than winning a trophy.